Here's a great deal on a 2016 BMW X3. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle is constructed with the discerning driver in mind. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, front dual-zone air conditioning, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, and power front seats. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.